Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll explore a powerful technique in prompt engineering. It's called chain of thought prompting. Instead of asking for a final answer right away, we prompt ChatGPT to show its work, step by step. This is especially helpful for math, logic, planning, or when accuracy matters. Let's dive in and see how it works with real examples. So, what is chain of thought prompting? Chain of thought or COTI prompting is a method where you ask the model not just for a result but for the reasoning process behind it. You encourage it to think aloud, just like we do when solving a problem. Let's try it together in ChatGPT. Open the new chat window in ChatGPT and enter the prompt, what is 27 times 4? Think step by step and submit this prompt. As you can see, the model breaks the problem down instead of guessing the final answer. So, why does this work so well? Even though ChatGPT doesn't truly think, when we guide it to simulate reasoning, it pulls from logical sequences in its training. This makes responses more accurate, easier to follow. Better for complex or layered tasks, you are giving the model permission to slow down instead of rushing to a possibly wrong answer. Chain of thought prompting works best when tasks involve logic, planning, or trade-offs. Let's go over a few real-world demos you can try. Here is the prompt for the math and word problem. A train leaves at 9 a.m. and travels 60 miles per hour. How far does it travel by noon? Think step by step. Next, submit this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT solves this word problem step by step. Next, let's try a logic puzzle. Here is the prompt. If John is taller than Mary and Mary is taller than Sam, who is the shortest? Think step by step. Next, submit this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT solves this logic puzzle problem step by step. Next, let's try a decision-making problem. Here is the prompt. Should I take a remote job with lower pay? Think step by step. Next, submit this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT weighs flexibility, finances, and career growth and makes a thoughtful summary. Next, let's try a planning. Here is the prompt. Plan a 3-day Tokyo trip. Think step by step. Next, submit this prompt. Now the model breaks it down by day, by morning, by location. If you closely observe the prompts that we tried, they are ending with think step by step. So to wrap up, chain of thought prompting helps the model show its reasoning, which makes outputs more transparent, logical, and reliable. All it takes is one extra phrase, think step by step. Try it with word problems, logic puzzles, planning tasks, code troubleshooting, business decisions. So it works in education, in writing, in planning, even in debugging. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.